Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be me testing out this random hair vase hair. So stay tuned. Guys, I'm not sure what the channel name is. I would link it down below that I watched. And this, I think they recreated someone else's look. If you're wondering why this background is creased, it's because I'm lazy, okay? It's because I'm lazy. So what the whole thing about this is that you put a water bottle in your hair. Oh gosh, I think I have to like zoom out for this. So just give me a second. Please forgive the background, it's gonna look crazy because of this video. So anyway, essentially what you're going to do is uncap the bottle and put this bottle in your hair and make a vase out of it. So as you can see, my hair is literally short and thin as fudge. So I got a solution for it. I got a total stuck. I am going to add some hair pieces into my hair to make it thicker so that we have sufficient hair in like the whole thingamabob. And if you're wondering why it's two different colors, because it's like two different pieces. This is black and this is, this is black and this is blonde. They look so brown on camera. Anyway, this is such a high quality a hair piece, because and I bought it for like 20 bucks. It looks like real hair, honestly. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna put my hair in a small bun. Oh, that's not gonna sit there. Ugh. Ow! Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna maybe put it in the back and let it sit forward. Maybe put a bobby pin or something. I got my hair out of the way. So I'm gonna place the bottle here, and around the bottle I'm going to add these pieces around the bottom of the bottle. Oh, this is so hard. That's why people do it with like real hair. Okay, at least now we got that. No! Ah! What is happening? Shouldn't have moved. I should not. Moved. Yeah. Wait, now I forgot how. Okay, so I think I figured out some situation to fix this. So I'm going to place the actual hair pieces in the opposite direction. So technically it's gonna be like this, so that it'll sit in the center of the hair. Okay, so now that we look like we are something out of the Grudge. So now that we look like we are something out of the Grudge, I think it's time to put the water bottle in center. And then, if I did this correctly, it should... No! I don't understand where these people get these ideas from. I'm trying my best, guys. Ow, after a while your hands start to pain. On the top you have to secure the bottom as well. Bottles. Oh. This is my vase, people. This is my vase. How did you keep the bottle like in the right place? I'm just gonna try to shove things in here. Where is... Okay guys, so this I think is gonna be the best like it's gonna ever get. But I guess that's fail. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and watching me struggle. So subscribe down below, like up this video, and I'll see you guys in the next